With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. The question says that why boric acid is acidic in nature, right? And we have been given here 4 options, so we have to find out the correct option out of the following, right? So firstly we should know what is the correct formula of boric acid, right? So boric acid can be represented by the formula 3BO3, or it is even represented by the formula BOH whole thrice, right? So this is your formula of boric acid. Now if you look carefully, boric acid is actually a monobasic acid, right? Boric acid is what? Boric acid is a monobasic acid and it is a weak Lewis acid, right? It is a weak Lewis acid. Now what is a Lewis acid? Any acid which accepts a electron pair from the Lewis base is termed as a Lewis acid, and boric acid is a weak Lewis acid. Now let me draw the structure of boric acid. The structure of boric acid is BOH. 3 OH unit are connected to boron atom, right? So in boric acid it has which structure? So the structure of boric acid is triangular planar, right? It has in boric boron has a sp2 hybridization, so it has trigonal planar structure. It has sp2 hybridization here, boron atom has. So boric acid, even though it contains a 3 OH group here which are connected to the boron, yet it acts as a monobasic acid rather than a tribasic acid, because boric acid does not act as a proton donor but instead it accepts electron pair from the OH negative ion, and thus it forms BOH4 negative, that is it forms tetraborate ion. Boric acid behaves as a Lewis acid because it accepts electron pair from OH negative which comes from its reaction with water, right? So boric acid is a weak acid because, why we say it is a weak acid? Because it does not dissociate to produce ions, rather it forms a metaborate here which is BOH4 whole negative ion and in turn releases ion. So if you look at the following options, it is regarding the acidity. Why boric acid is acidic in nature? So if you look at the first option, it says that H3BO3 molecule are loosely chemically bonded and hence soft. So this reason is correct here, option number 1. Why? Because in the boric acid, if you see here, we have boron, 3 OH unit as I've just explained. So they are loosely chemically bonded. It is a weak acid accepting electron pair, and because here the central atom which is boron, it is a soft metal, right? So because boric acid is soft in nature, that is why it is also acidic in nature. If you look at option number 2, it is incorrect. Why? Because it says that its low density makes it fluffy. There is no interrelationship between density, fluffiness and acidic nature of boric acid. So this option is incorrect. Now option number 3 says that it can be powdered to a very small grain size. So again, this statement does not make any sense with the acidic property of boric acid, neither it explains the acidic nature. The acidic nature have already been explained here, that it is monobasic, it is weak Lewis acid, right? And because of which it is loosely chemically bonded. So that is already explained. So option number 3 is also incorrect. Now option number 4 says it is chemically inert with plywood. Again this option is incorrect because here we are not talking about its reaction with plywood. Instead we are asking here about the acidic nature of boric acid. So option number 1 is your answer to the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.